Hello students. Today, we are going to learn about division. Division means sharing equally. Let's hear a story about a school trip. There are 100 students in a school. They are all very excited to go on a trip. The school has 4 buses ready. We want to put the same number of students in each bus. How can we do that? We need to share them equally into the 4 buses. Sharing equally means division. If we divide the total number of students by the number of buses, we can find how many students go in each bus. That is, 100 divided by 4. We use the long division bracket to show this. 100 divided by 4 equals 25, with no remainder. So, each bus will take 25 students, and no one is left out. Let's remember. 100 is the dividend. 4 is the divisor. 25 is the quotient. 0 is the remainder. Now, all the students are happy and sitting in the buses. Let's move to the next stop. We will use multiplication to help us understand division better.
You know multiplication with equal groups, right? 3 groups with 5 in each group make 15 in all. This is shown as 3 times 5 equals 15. Now let's use this idea to understand division. If we have 15 things and want to divide them into 3 equal groups, how many will be in each group? Division helps us to find out what will be 15 divided by 3.
Now let's understand how numbers are related in multiplication and division. These numbers work together. We say they form a number fact family. Let's look at a fun monkey story. There are 3 trees, and each tree has 4 monkeys. So we multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12, or 4 times 3 equals 12. That means there are 12 monkeys in total. Now let's try division. If we have 12 monkeys sitting equally on 3 trees, each tree has 4 monkeys. That's 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Or if we group 12 monkeys, putting 4 monkeys on each tree, we get 12 divided by 4 equals 3. These numbers, 3, 4 and 12, are connected. They form a fact family. Just like a family, these numbers work together in multiplication and division.
Let's take another example. You have 6 boxes of Parle-G biscuits. Each box has 5 biscuits. Can you guess how many biscuits there are in total? Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So there are 30 biscuits in total. We can show this using multiplication. 6 times 5 equals 30. 5 times 6 equals 30. And now let's use division. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. These numbers, 5, 6 and 30, are part of one fact family. They are connected through multiplication and division. Let's look at a family on 2, 3 and 6. We can make 2 multiplication facts. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. And we can also make 2 division facts. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. These 4 facts are all connected. The numbers in this group help us understand both multiplication and division. Now it's your turn. The numbers given make fact family. Can you write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts for each group? Once done, you can check your answer.
Now we will learn the long division method. It is not always easy to remember tables or fact families, especially for big numbers. Long division helps us divide all kinds of numbers in a step-by-step manner. First, let's learn about the division team, the terms of division. In this team, there are 4 members. The dividend, that's the big number we want to divide. Here, the dividend is 12. The divisor, the number we divide by. Our divisor here is 3. The quotient is the answer we get after dividing, that is 4. And sometimes we get a remainder. Like the second example here, 13 is divided by 3. We get the quotient as 4 and 1 remainder. This means if we are sharing 13 items in 3 groups, each group will have 4 items and 1 item will be left over which we cannot put in any of the groups. These 4 terms together make the division team. And here's a smart rule they always follow. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This rule helps us to check if our division is correct.
After the division team, now let's meet the division family. The division family has 5 members. Each one has a job to help us solve division problems step by step. First comes Dad. He divides. He looks at the number and asks, how many times can the divisor go into this number? Then it's Mom's turn. She multiplies. She takes the answer from Dad and multiplies it by the divisor and writes it below the dividend. Now comes Sister. She subtracts. She subtracts Mom's answer from the number above. Then it's Brother. He brings down. He brings down the next digit in the dividend. And finally, we hear from Roger the pet. He says, let's do it all again. That means we repeat all the steps until we've used all the digits. And if there is no digit left, our division is complete and we check for remainder.
Now, let's see how the division family works together using the example. 685 divided by 5. First comes Dad. He says, divide. Look at the first digit of the dividend. The divisor is 5 and the first digit is 6. Can we divide 6 by 5? Yes, it goes one time. So we write 1 on top. Next is Mom. She says, multiply. Multiply the number we just got, that is 1, by the divisor, 5. 1 into 5 is 5. Write 5 under the 6. Now comes Sister. She says, subtract. Subtract 5 from 6. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Write 1 under the line. The next step is Brother. He says, bring down. Bring down the next number from the dividend. Here, bring down 8. Now we have 18. Now it's Roger the pet. He says, repeat. Repeat all the steps again with the new number, 18. Dad says, divide 18 by 5. It goes 3 times. In the table of 5, 5 times 3 equals 15. Write 3 on top. Mom says, multiply 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 15 under 18. Sister says, subtract. 18 minus 15 equals 3. Brother says, bring down the next number. Bring down 5. Now we have 35. Roger says, repeat again. Dad says, divide 35 by 5. It goes 7 times. 5 times 7 equals 35. Mom says, multiply. 7 times 5 equals 35. Write 35 under 35. Sister says, subtract. 35 minus 35 equals 0. Brother says, bring down. There are no more digits left. Roger says, division complete. Check the remainder. There is nothing left, so the remainder is 0. So, our final answer is 685 divided by 5 equals 137. Remainder is 0. We use the division family steps every time we divide big numbers. Dad, divide. Mom, multiply. Sister, subtract. Brother, bring down. Roger, repeat or check the remainder. Isn't it fun and easy to remember? Let's try another one. We are dividing 968 by 7. The first step is to divide. Look at the first digit of the dividend, it's 9. Can we divide 9 by 7? Yes, 7 goes into 9 one time. Write 1 on top. Mom step says, multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. Write 7 under the 9. Then the sister step says, subtract. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Next comes brother step, to bring down. We bring down the next number from the dividend, that is 6. We get 26. Roger says, repeat all the steps. This time we divide 26 by 7. 7 can go into 26 3 times. Because 7 into 3 is 21. Write 3 on top. 3 into 7 is 21. So we write it under 26. Next, sister says, subtract. 26 minus 21 is 5. Brother step says to bring down. We bring down the last digit 8. Now, we have 58. Roger says, repeat again. Divide 58 by 7. 7 into 8 is 56. So, write 8 on top. 8 times 7 is 56. Write it under 58. 58 minus 56 is 2. Now no more digits are left to bring down. So, we skip brother step. And Roger says, division complete. Check for remainder. The remainder is 2. So, our final answer is 968 by 7 is 130-8 with remainder 2. We can check using the rule. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. 7 into 138 equals 966. Plus 2 gives 968. That's the correct answer.
We have seen division with a single-digit divisors. We follow the same steps even if the divisor is big, like 2-digit, 3-digit or more, but there are some key points to remember. Let's go through them with an example. 1000 divided by 11. Step 1. Always start with enough digits. Here, the divisor is 11, which has 2 digits. So, we look at the first 2 digits of the dividend, that gives us 10. 10 is smaller than 11, so we need to take the third digit as well. Now we have 100. We can start dividing 100 by 11. Next, we should always position the answer correctly. Always write the quotient above the digits you are dividing. For 11 into 100, we get 9 because 11 times 9 is 99. So write 9 above the second zero of 100. After subtracting, we bring down the next digit. Now look carefully. We get 10, which is less than 11. But we cannot stop here. Even if the number is smaller than the divisor, we still divide. 10 divided by 11 is 0. So write 0 in the quotient. Do not skip this step. Always remember to divide all digits. Even if the answer is 0, include it. This keeps your answer correct and complete. If there are more digits left, we repeat the same steps carefully. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down and repeat. And finally, we check the answer using the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. 90 into 11 equals 990. Adding remainder 10 gives us 1000, which is equal to our dividend. This shows that our division is correct. If you follow these steps, you will not go wrong in long division. Now, let's continue our practice with a few more division problems. Your teacher is here to help you. You can check your answers once you finish.
1504 divided by 14. Quotient is 107. The remainder is 6. Let's check our answer using the formula. Dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. 14 times 107 is 1498. Now add the remainder. 1498 plus 6 equals 1504. Yes, our answer is correct. 8563 divided by 11. The final answer is 778 with remainder 5. Now to check if we have got the correct answer, we apply. Divisor times quotient plus remainder equals dividend. 11 times 778 is 8558. Add remainder 5. We get 8563, our dividend. 1004 divided by 12. Our final answer is 1004 divided by 12 is 83 with remainder 8. To check the answer, 12 times 83 is 996 plus 8 gives 1004. So our division is correct. For 1408 divided by 13. Quotient is 108 and remainder 4. We can check this also. 13 times 108 equals 1404. Add remainder 4. Total is 1408, which is the dividend. 1802 divided by 18. Quotient is 100 and remainder is 2. Let's check if we got it correct. 18 times 100 equals 1800. Add remainder 2. Total is 1802. 23,456 divided by 17. Quotient 1379, remainder is 13. Let's check. 17 times 1379 equals 23,443. Now add the remainder 13, making the total as 23,456. So the division is correct. 22,022 divided by 11. Quotient 2002 and remainder is 0. We check. 11 into 2002 equals 22,022. Our dividend. So our quotient is correct. By now, you have mastered 2-digit division. Let's have some practice with 3-digit divisors also. Try to solve these division problems on your own and your teacher will guide you. Don't worry if it feels slow now. Just keep going and you'll get better and faster with time.